Hello guys who support my channel ESP Education. Today I have a new topic to tell you about QuickBooks Enterprise Solution. Okay, for this topic is how to create payroll item list, right? Okay, first I suggest you please subscribe bell on the button right below this video to get others useful video. Okay, don't forget subscribe bell. Okay, saying okay, move to our topic together. Okay, the topic today is how to create payroll item list. So how to create in the first time you must open the QuickBooks Enterprise Solution as my platform here, and then you move your mouse to head here and find out the folder list, L-I-S-T, list. Okay, you see? Okay, list, and click on it, and you find fresh payroll item list. Okay, click on it, and then you see the payroll item list platform here. Okay, there are many kinds of payroll item, but I just want to present you only three main kinds payroll. First is salaries, the second is commission, and the last one is salary tax. Okay, to create here to create the salary wage, salary expense or salary item, I close it again and I open it again. Move to the file list, LISTS, click on it and find payroll item list, and you see platform payroll item list, and you create the payroll as the salary. You must find the button payroll item on the below the platform of item names, and you see, okay, you see here. Okay, and then you click on the arrow and find the word new, right, option new, and click on it. So there are two kinds of methods that you must choose to create payroll item here. For the salary or under payroll, you must select custom setup, because it's easy to edit and recommend and do others activity. For ES setup is the standard setting and difficult, and for custom setup1easy. Okay, you choose custom setup and click button next, right, on next. And for creating salary item, you must select payroll item type as the wage, hourly wage, annual salaries, commission, bonus. Okay, and then you click on button next, right, and wait, because it's the salary, so we must pay on annual month, annual semester, or annual salary, but it suggests or consider as the annual salaries. Okay, you click on the option annual salary, and then you click on the button next, and the wage is item for regular, overtime, sick, or vacation pays, because we have annual salary. But you for the salary there are many kinds, is salary as normal, or sick pays, or vacation pay, and so for this we create salary, so we choose the option regular pay, right, and then you click on button next. For the name used in paychecks and payroll report, enter name for salary item, please type salaries expense or payroll expense, right, and then you click on button next. and here payroll expense. Okay, if your account you select is payroll expense. For me, I just create it as the salary expense, right? So I find it salary expense right here, 15, right, for me. And then you click the button, make sure that expense account tracking in the actual account. If you choose wrong, so when you journal the transaction fail. Okay, so please be careful, right? And then you click button for finish. So you get the salary expense here, right? It the Thai year salaries and it compensation. And then you create commission. For example, commission is the kind of money or fund that company or enterprise provide you for increase productivity, right? So how to create? We must select like before, option list, and find the payroll item list, and you see the platform here, and you find the button below payroll item here, and click on arrow and find the word new, right? And then you have select setup method. You choose custom setup because it's easy, and then you click on button next. And because our commission is the kind of wage, so you choose the payroll item type is wage, hourly, wage, annual salary, commission, bonus. And then you click button next. Wage, do you want to set up a payroll item to track our wage and annual salary, commission, or bonus? So because of this is the kind of commission, so you choose commission option, and then you click on button next to continue. And enter name for commission, please write commission here, and then you click on button next. And expense account, you must enter the account for tracking this expense, because it is the commission expense, so you must choose the account commission expense. Okay, here you don't see, right? Okay, you can omit all. Okay, you can typing. Okay, you see 50/20, right? Okay, easily. And you tracking expense account right here. You must be actual or be sure that your expense commission expense journal or record in the expense account here is commission and account number 50/20, right? And then you click on button next. Any for red you don't complete, because all the staff or employees always has at the default rate, so we cannot default, so you can change it and complete finish by button finish. Then be sure default rate no change here, only number 0. Okay, and then you click on button finish, so you get the commission here, commission, compensation type 2. And for creating salary track, you choose option like before, list, payroll item list, and then you see platform here. You can click on the payroll item and create by click on arrow to find the word new, and then you choose method custom setup, and then you click button next. Custom setup easy. And then tax is a kind of deduction, right? You click on here, deduction, union you extra, and then you click on next button. Be careful, payroll item type is sacrifice in or consider as deduction, right? And click on button next. You see, and enter name for the deduction is salary tax expense, right? Or salary tax. Okay, you can salary tax expense, and then you click on button next. agent for employment paid liability. Enter name of agent to which liability paid. You can find out the vendor from the vendor. You be sure the name of agency which you give the salary tax to. For example, tax department, right? It is the department who collect all the tax for the for your country. Okay, and then you choose the account, liability account to enter or to tracking this liability. You must choose salary tax payable. Okay, salary tax payable, and then you click on button next. Okay, because why we choose salary tax payable? Because all the tax which you pay for the salary cannot pay as soon as in the case, so the enterprise must be collect first and then paid to the tax department later. Okay, and after, so the salary tax consider as salary tax payable here, and then you click on button next, right? And for the tax tracking types, you must choose other, because the tax is the no kind. So we choose other and click on the next. And for the here you must notice, you must do ticks, you must notice here for all, and then you click button next and choose calculate based on quantity. You must choose the option neither, meaning that you calculate the on quantity or hour, no, neither. Okay, and then you click on the next option, then for be sure neither for the calculate based on quantity, neither, right? And click next. For the salary tax payable, you must here salary tax must be choose select whether to calculate on. It means that calculate on the gross pay. Okay, because salary gross and we deduct from the gross salary. Click gross pay, and then you click on button next. For the foreign and limit, no change, and then you click on button finish to complete here. So you can see you get the salary expense and salary tax expense and commission option. For edit or delete the information or the item name here, you must be select. For example, you want to delete wage, you can select on it. Okay, you can select on it and select on it and right click on it, and choose the option delete payroll item. If you want to change the information, you can select on it and right click, choose the fresh edit payroll item. For example, I edit first and then I delete later. Edit payroll, for example, I want to change it to our hourly rate, right? For example, so I can click on the next, and the tracking account expense is right to wage expense, and then I click finish. Okay, so the wage change to hourly rate, and then I want to delete it, so I can select on it and right click, choose the option delete payroll item, click on it and I click button yes. Okay, and so the hourly rate is deleted. For this for this lesson, I think that you can get all the lesson or the main concept from this video. And please subscribe my channel ESP Education for more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you next time.